All right, everybody, this is the second flower bed. I'm not sure even how to figure out how to name each section of the flower bed, so I'm going to just call this the second flower bed. Over here you can see I still got room, just the front part that I still need to find plants for, but this bigger area here is pretty much filled out. The roses, I want to give them as much room as possible. I'm not going to prune them back since they're kind of out here further from the front of the shed. I want them to grow and be like its full potential, as opposed to keep cutting them back and pruning them back. Just going to try that and see how well they do. So I've definitely tried to give them as much space as possible here. I might plant a couple more things in the front, kind of front as a hedge, but I'm not sure at this point in time. I've got a hydrangea in the middle right here. Hopefully it will bush out and be beautiful. Flanking the two sides are the angel trumpets. I've got a Japanese maple here. I might have overdid it with the taller trees in the back. I got a Japanese maple, Japanese magnolia, 1, 2, and the third one right here. So those guys, I'm going to let them grow. I'm not sure how large I'll let them grow. I got just a regular maple here. The regular maple and the Japanese maple will give me the fall interest. The Japanese magnolia gives me the spring interest because they are the earliest to bloom. And then I've got flowers that should be blooming all summer long, just in the front portion of it. So we'll see how this goes. This one is a hydrangea. It's a little bit stressed, you can see. It needs a little bit more water because it's really droopy. It's not taking well to their transplant as opposed to this one over here. So that one's doing well. Now on the opposite side, basically I want the tall stuff in the middle to grow. And then on the sides is where I'm going to put a lot of the, just the border portion of the plant. Over here I have spacing for a couple more things. I have a butterfly bush here. Salvia and butterfly bush can get really big. And then of course the pineapple sage right there. As you can see in my previous video, the pineapple sage is glorious when it's in full bloom. It's beautiful, luscious, and it gets really big. So that one I might have to keep trimming and cutting back. But we'll see how that go. And that rose is gonna go right over there. I might put 1 or 2 roses along here, just kind of flanking. This might just be the rose bed over here. So this is the 2 beds now down, and we've got a couple more to go. So we will see how they do. But look at this beautiful rose. I believe this is the Rio Samba. You can see all the multicolors on it, from when it's first in bloom to once it's basically pewtered out and pooping out on me. Look at this butterfly on this rose. Beautiful. Just looking forward to see how everything is once they get situated. So I'll keep you guys updated. Please continue to keep watching, and I look forward to seeing the next video. Goodbye, everybody.